can't even see it. Yeah. Wow. That's a good shot. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. There you go. Ooh. Sounds good. Is it on? Oh, right there on the edge. Right on the edge.
What you said, 7? You hit it good. Because it's on the right side.
Yeah, you're on the right side a little bit of the green. It's right over the bunker, right? Sit, sit, sit. Ooh, that's too much. It's way too much. That's the close I can get.
That's nice, yeah.
That's the close I can get right there.
That's your birdie there.
Ah, no.
I ain't no ball way over there. Oh, that's his ball.
It's as close you can get, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Yours should maybe go that way a little bit.
You can go ahead.
Yeah, just on the outside.
Okay. Ooh. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Yep, good shot.
He trying to be like Sid.
Ooh.
He trying to be like Sid. Turn, ball. Turn it.
It's turning. It's turning. It's turning. It's turning the way you want it. Yeah, it is going.
Get that booger man low too.
Yeah.
Good shot. Thank you. Ain't that booger
I like the bullet shot. What you call that?
Has to be up there.
Yeah. The chip and putt from there.
Be nice. Alright, Roddy, you need to hit yours at that tree there. I don't care about mine. Just to make sure it don't hit the tree. Stop. Ooh, big bounce.
Big. You'll be alright. close.
Oh, man. I was waiting on that shot, man.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
I was waiting.
That thing, he gotta hit his ball, see. So, he hit a good shot. He hit a good shot.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Not bad.
He should a good shot.
Sit. Ooh. Rolling. Go ahead, Mark. Keep going. Not bad from there.